some high temperature tape for protecting the other small IC, especially for the capacitance. If the capacitance nearby the BGA, you have to use the soldering station to remove the capacitance from the PCB board, because when the temperature is higher than 100 degrees, it will break the capacitance. For the other small IC, you can use the high temperature tape, cover it and protect it from the heating. Put the flux on the BGA. Then we use the soldering station, clean this BGA. You also can use some goat wick for helping you to clean the BGA. Use the alcohol to clean the BGA. Here we use alcohol. Now we're going to clean the PCB board. It's the same step like clean the BGA. Use some paste flux, soldering station, use alcohol to clean the PCB. Now the next step is rebonding. We are going to looking for the stencil. For this BGA, here we are going to use the direct heat BGA stencil, because this engineer, he has almost 7 years experience. So if you don't have good experience, maybe you have to buy a rebonding kit. It will make the work more easier. We also have the rebonding kit. Now we got it. Yes, the same stencil. This is the stencil for this BGA. The most important step is rebonding. If you don't have good experience, we really not suggest you do it like this way, because it will take you a lot of time. With the help of rebonding kit, the work will be more easier. Use some alcohol to clean the BGA and the stencil before we do the rebonding. before we do it, we have to put some small flukes on the BGA. Just a little. Now align the sensor with the BGA. Okay, now soldering boards. You should be very careful when you are doing this. Okay, now we are going to take the stencil out. check the BGA boards. The next step is to melting the soldering boards on the BGA. This is DH-T1. The left panel is heating panel. The right panel is cooling panel. Now we put the PGA on the cooling panel. Then we are going to set the temperature. Here we set it to about 240 degrees. We are waiting for the temperature goes up to 240. Now it's about 67, 68. Make it 240, the temperature. It will cost about 2 minutes for the temperature goes up to 240. Now it's 232. Okay, now temperature. Move the BGA to the heating panel. Now because the temperature is about 240, so here it will take just up. When the soldering board is melting, move it to the cooling panel. When the soldering board is melting, after about 5 seconds, move it to the cooling panel. It will take about 5 minutes for cooling. Okay, now we are going to soldering this BGA back to the PCB board. Set the temperature